The Infinite Cloner is a pretty funky tool that you can use for all sort of things. I'm going to use it for mind mapping in this exercise. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click the text, and let's just click here and type games and give it a bit of color. Give it a bit of color. There we go. And I'm going to select a little shape here, and I'm going to surround that with a little box and give that a bit of color. I need to select it first, and then I can change it. There we go. And because it's covering the text, I'm going to click here, order, send to back. Now I'm simply going to draw or select both of them by clicking and dragging over both, and Control G will group them and Control K will lock them in place. That's here. And basically what I want to do, I want to let the pupils come and add more games ideas. So we're going to do it in the hexagon, but now the hexagon just moves, and I wanted to be able to add more and more. Always look in the little triangle, and when you look in there, there's something called the Infinite Cloner. When you click that, you'll see that now there's an infinity symbol down here, and what that does is that now I can take a hexagon from here and put it here, and then a child can grab a pen and write here chess. Chess. Sorry for the handwriting. Let's see if it recognizes it. Yep, there we go. Let's make it a bit smaller and put it where it belongs. And someone else would come here and take another one. And again, grab a pen. Maybe you would want to use a different color. And we'll write here mono. Of course, I have to choose the longest word, monopoly. There we go. Select. Do not write diagonally, that does not work. Okay. Let's try a simpler word like uno. No. Sorry, I've selected. Okay, so now you see, because I did it very slowly, it looked at the two separate things. You can try to group them and recognize it as uno. There we go. And that's the way you use the Infinite Cloner. I'm sure you can come up with many more ideas. For example, you can build a beehive if you're learning about bees. And each child can be a little working bee and slowly put the beehive together.